Samsung Galaxy Gallery and secure folder tips. This is very important because in this video I will show step by step how you can securely store your files inside Samsung Galaxy without anyone know it, and it is insecure. No one can find it until you show it to anyone. So let's dive into the video. So the first one is Gallery. We are starting with Gallery. So if you enter your Samsung device Gallery and touch and hold any files you want to hide from anyone, just tap it and select it, then click the more, and then you can see two options. The first option is move to secure folder. The second one, move to private album. So tap move to private album. So tap move. So in this case, you move this specific file to private album. So how you can find it if you want to see it more? So just click the menu, and after you click the menu, you will see private album. Just click it and then put your fingerprint. You can now find these files. So this is the simplest way to move your photos, videos inside these private files. So that is number one secured place. So the second one is secure folder. So the secure folder is a large one because you can secure the specific applications. You can make like two application difference, like you can add a WhatsApp business, WhatsApp Messenger inside this, and also there is another WhatsApp inside your normal smartphone. You can put there, and you can put any application duplicate inside this secure folder, and you can hide them in secure places, and also you can add your photos, videos inside. So let me show you how you can like add photo inside secure folder. Just let me select these photos and click move and click move to secure folder. So as we can see in the notification, the file is moving to secure folder. Let me open secure folder again, and you can see these files has been there inside gallery. So as you can see, now I have two galleries with different files inside. Because this is like a public files, anyone can collect my phone, can see this file, but in secure folder only me, if I put like password or fingerprint, then I can be able to access it. Also in the private album, only me, and with fingerprint, when I click it, then I can be able to reach my files. So these are the best two ways to securely store all the files application inside your Samsung without anyone know it. So how to add application? Just inside secure folder, just start add files. You can be able to download any application from Google Play Store or download from Galaxy Store, or you can be able to select any files inside it. You can just directly duplicate it inside this secure folder with different registration, with anything that you want. So that's how you can use secure folder and gallery to store your files in secure place. If this video helped you, let me know in the comment section. Please like this video, share it to friends and family, and subscribe for more video like this. Mr. Avopote Tech sign out.